Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is a wheel has a diameter of 84 centimeter. Find how many complete revolutions must it make to cover 3.168 kilometer. What is it saying? A wheel is there which has a diameter of 80 centimeter. So diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeter. Now we know that the distance covered in one revolution of the wheel is equal to circumference of the wheel. Fine. So we will find the distance covered in one revolution. Now we have to find how many revolutions it will make to cover a distance of 3.168 kilometer. So first let's find the distance covered in one revolution. Distance covered in one revolution, that will be 2 pi r, that is the circumference, that is pi into d. Fine. That is pi into d is 22 by 7 into 84. 7 ones are 7, 2. 22 into 12, that is 264 centimeter. So this is the distance it will cover in one revolution. Now we have to find how much revolution will it make to cover a distance of 3.168 kilometer. So what we will do, we will convert 3.168 kilometer to centimeter. Fine, because the distance covered in one revolution is in centimeter. So this, when you change the kilometer to centimeter, what you do, you multiply by, see here, milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilometer. So you are at kilometer and you want to come to centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1 and 5, 0 you have to multiply this number with. This will come out as 3168, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 places decimal. So decimal will be somewhere here. This will become your 3.16800 centimeter. Now you have to find how much revolution will it make to cover these many centimeter, right? So let the number of revolution made to cover 3.16800 centimeter be n. We have assumed the number of revolution to be n. So total distance in n revolution will be how much? N into distance in one revolution. Fine. So this is n into distance in one revolution is 264. Fine. So this is the total distance in n revolution. Now this total distance has to be equal to this distance, that is 3.16800. Then what will be the relationship? N into 264 has to be equal to 3.16800. Fine. This is the total distance covered in n revolution and that has to be equal to 3.16800. So n will be what? 3.16800 divided by 264. Fine. Now you can even write number of revolution is total distance upon distance in one revolution. You can simply write this thing also. Fine. Or if you want to understand, this is to understand, let the number of revolution made to cover 316,800 centimeter be n. So total distance in n revolution will be n into distance into distance in one revolution, that is n into 264, which has to be equal to 31680. So n will be 316,800, n will go to the other side and become divide. Fine. So now you will solve this. 316,800 264. This will become 132. This will become 158,400. Right? Now this will become your 132. 158,400 divided by 132. That will become 7 6 2s are 12 and 66, and this will become 7 2s are 14 18 200. Right? Now this will become 11 se kaat do 6, and this will become 7 77 200. Right? Now this will be 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 00. So how many revolution it is making to cover a distance of 316,800 is 1200 revolutions. Fine, understood?